supposed to open this. Look. What does it say? Ooh, paper. Girl Scout promise.
My teacher had this.
A folder. Cool.
Oh, and my goes.
Ooh. Look, there's some foam.
Scissors. Oh my goodness.
Stickers. Foam stickers. More sticker things.
My fish stickers. Star stickers. More star stickers. Glue. What's this?
Ribbon.
Ribbon. Garbage bag.
You must be making a lot of
Gloves.
garbage. Ooh.
But
And a
these
pen.
are a pen. So this is for
Activities.
activities.
Isn't that cool?
And where'd you buy your badge in a box?
We bought our badge in the box from the Girl Scouts of Utah. And this is the
Girl Scout Way.
Girl Scout Way badge in the box. We're so excited.